Alright, got another little quick video. Got another little security camera, a Night Owl brand, just like the other ones. This one's actually a refurbed indoor camera that we bought from their website. Got it pretty cheap, but it's actually powered by a 5-volt USB cable, just like your phone charger and most other small items. Got it plugged up, ready for setup right now. Had to download a different app called Night Owl Connect. Bring that up real quick. Doesn't really say much on there, just shows that, but I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Wireless camera, you got to make sure mobile data's off. Keep your Wi-Fi on though, and make sure it's flashing. We got that flashing light. Hit the button, brings up the camera it detects. Click on that. Click on our network, and we go enter that password, which nobody is going to see. And got that connected. It's going.
Please be patient as camera connects to Wi-Fi.
Yep, this one talks just as well. Takes a minute to connect, but it is doing it, as you can see on the screen. Yep, and we wait and wait and wait. It's still going. It'll finish eventually. And there it goes. Gonna name it.
Woohoo! Setup is now complete.
As you can tell, it lets you know when it's done. Named it. Hit our complete setup. And we are online, as you can tell. And from there, I'm going to turn this off so we don't have this feedback loop here. Mute that. Comes with a simple mount. It actually has a magnetic base that you can attach to the wall and then just stick the thing right on the wall. Or you can actually mount it in a more permanent manner. But I'm going to use the magnetic setup. A little bit easier, a little bit cleaner. And route the cable down. We're going to actually mount the thing up next to the AC unit because it gives a good view of the whole house, both doors and everything. It actually has a panoramic view, or a fisheye view. Panoramic view actually has more coverage, so where we're going to put it, we'll put it right next to a power supply and have full coverage of both doors of the house. So I'm not going to show you the inside of the house because we don't want you to see all of our wonderful treasures. But yeah, whatever. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this camera. Now, one thing I will mention, this was a whole different app that we had to download for this camera, as the app for the other ones would not use this camera, it wouldn't connect to it. But what we're probably going to experiment with later on is seeing if this Connect app, this Night Owl Connect app, will actually work with those cameras. And if so, we're going to go ahead and reconnect the outdoor cameras to this new app so we can try to keep everything condensed into one package. Otherwise, we'll just have to roll with 2 separate apps for the same brand and go from there. But that's pretty much it for this camera. Simple setup, does all the same stuff like the other ones. You have the audio, talking, and all that crap. SD card slot for recording stuff where you could subscribe to a cloud service and save your footage there. So yeah, simple camera. If you want an indoor camera for spying on somebody or just watching over your house inside, here you go. Until the next time, later.